Hi, this is Alicia from artforthecreativesoul.com, your one-stop shop for art education inspired by great Black visual artists and culture. Today, I am going to be doing part one of a still life collage. This is related to our Create a Still Life Like Mrs. Laura Willer Waring video. So make sure you check that video out. So I gathered some things together to arrange this still life that I photographed, and today we're going to focus on the plastic tomato that's in this still life arrangement. To draw the tomato, I am going to be using oil pastels and quick sticks and Sennelier ink brushes. The vocabulary that I'm going to be focusing on in this drawing video is color and complementary, as well as form and highlight. So let's get started. So today I'll be painting on heavy grade student level watercolor paper. I'm using the red brush from the set to do the drawing and the painting. I'm going to start with the contour and add details to help to create the form of the tomato. I also have a scrap sheet of paper that I'm going to use to remove any excess paint that may start to build up at the tip of the brush. I really enjoy using this brush set. This was my first time using it to draw, and I'd like to know if you've used this set of brushes before. Comment down below and let me know what your experience was like. It was very relaxing using this set of brushes to draw and paint. So once I finished shading in this first layer of color with red, I'm going to use the complementary color for red, which is green, because they sit across from one another on the color wheel. And usually when you blend complementary colors together, you're able to create different shades of brown. So as I'm placing layers of green on top of the red, you can see that it creates a brown tone. This also is going to help me create the look of three-dimensionality in this drawing, and that helps me to accomplish form when I am finishing up this tomato for my still life collage. After the painting is dry, I'm going to cut it out and adhere it to the other drawing so that I can complete this collage. I'm using a white quick sticks to add highlights, and then I'll use a light green and darker green oil pastel to add the details for the leaves. Make sure to check out the other videos in this still life series in which we focus on painting the potted plant. So that's part 2, and then in part 3 we do the finishing touches with the figurine and the foreground and background details of our collage. And finally, check out that Color and Learn art history video featuring Mrs. Laura Willer Waring. If you enjoyed the video today, please like, share, and subscribe. And check out our website, artforthecreativesoul.com. Thanks again for joining us today.